Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, leave your comment and share. So today we'll be making use of papaya leaf. Many of us don't know that papaya leaf or pawpaw leaf can take your hair from level 1 to level 100. Yes, papaya leaf is very good for the hair. This is a magic hair buster or booster or whatever thing you want to call it. If you do this papaya spray, you use it on your hair for good 1 month on daily basis, oh my god, you will see wonderful result. So this is the papaya leaf inside the mortar. I'm going to pound till it's smooth. You can make use of whatever thing you have. You can use blender, you can use food processor. So this is after pounding. You can see how it is. So next I'm just going to be adding water. Yes, just going to be adding water. We just need the papaya leaf juice. Yeah, so this is me mixing it together. I've mixed it very well. So this is what will be. See that green liquid? Yeah, that is what we need. You can also put the papaya leaf in your blender, add water and blend. Yes, you still have the same result. So we're going to be extracting this water. We're going to be separating the liquid from the shaft. So we're going to pour it into a sieve. Yes, and get those wonderful hair magic or hair buster out. Yeah, you're gonna squeeze it out very well, get all the juice out. So that is it, get everything out. Yeah, so next we're gonna be pouring it. So this is what we need. Yeah, that is the extract. Yeah, that green liquid. Yeah, so that is what we need. So we're going to be pouring it into a container or a hairspray container. If you use this thing, you can be applying it in your hair on daily basis. Yeah, on daily basis. So just put it inside a container. Yeah, with a spray, like a hairspray container. And here I'm adding a 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Give it a good shake it very well, and just spray into your hair like this. Apply to your hair like this. If you do this morning and night, man, you can even apply it even with your braid or with your protective style. You don't need to lose it. Just make sure you apply it generously. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Bye for now.